Mating na po ang aking washer. Ay no, dryer. Mali. GA Appliances. Way. Ayan yung truck natin. Nag-deliver si Kuya. Thank you, Pita. Unboxing tayo. Unboxing ng dryer. Dryer. Ang washing ko ay nandito sa garahe. Yan po ang washer natin. Dito po ilalagay ang ating dryer. That's right. Sweet. Do not clamp for the side. Cut the line. Yeah. You cut the cheese. You cut the cheese. I'm so excited. Cut the line. That's what it is doing it. Cutting the line. Align. Hurt yourself, Kuya. Drop it. Way. Ay, wow. So it looks. Wee. Siya, GE max load, normal, delicate, sanitize, Kalido.
Aldo.
Aha. Nakalak para hindi siya ano. Tapos doon siya ano. Do you know that bucket right there? Red bucket. That was our old plug. They did not come with plug?
Hmm?
It did not come with plug?
Nope.
Cord? Oh wow.
Nope. Cost extra.
Cost extra?
Let's pay it again.
What? Buti na lang sinave niya yung ito. Electric cord niya. Wala naman nangyari.
Mr. Molyneux.
There's nothing going on. Here you go. What's that mean?
The wire's hooked up right.
Okay. Watch and learn.
Screw out.
Watch and learn. Need the screwdriver. They said it's gonna be delivering today at like 2 o'clock to 6, but it's only almost 1 o'clock.
So. We're not complaining.
We're not complaining. We're just saying that it comes early because I need to do my laundry. And they don't do a good communication. They come early though. No complain. Just saying.
Go say anything.
Go saan? XL dryer it did not come with a cord.
They don't know which one you need.
Ah.
Yeah. They might wind up in Europe somewhere. Use a different cord.
I got it. Okay. Close the lid. Tapos ito, i-connect natin in here. Yan. There it is. I-go in. Plug it in. No destruction. It came on, guys. So it depends which one are you gonna do it. Eco dry, more dry, timer. Okay, so there you go. I can't wait to try.
Same as that one.
Same. Dark lang siya dito. It's not white. Gray.
Yeah,
It's dark gray.
I'm saying the buttons, the dial, the panel. So it's a matching.
Matching.
It's his brother.
It's brother and sister. Okay. Ayan na po. I'll show you the old one. Yung old nilagay na namin sa back of the truck. Kasi we're getting ready to throw it away. Here. 25 years. Finally give up. After 25 years of drying clothes. Ito na. Okay. Ayan po. Thank you for watching. Goodbye, old one. Thank you for 25 years service. Ayan. I-take it apart na namin. Ayun. Ayan, nag-match na po sila. Same GE. Now, let's start doing some laundry. Okay. Ganyan. Self-clean. Clean before its cycle. Ayan. Thank you for watching. Maglo-loading na po ako. Bye-bye.